Welcome to Vientiane City, capital of Laos PDR. With more than 800,000 inhabitants, it is the biggest city of the country, rich of cultural heritage and landmarks monuments. The city also concentrates most of the financial, administrative, commercial, and political places, and the biggest university campus of the country. Located along the Mekong River, Vientiane is a pleasant city to live, to work, and to study, with a great diversity of restaurants and shops. In this world we live, my brother Korakot Tanseri, National UN volunteer and graduate from Civil Engineering, and I, Koraketh Tanseri, student in Vientiane High School.
We want to ask you a question. Have you ever taken the city bus in Vientiane? Have you ever waited on a bus station under 35 degrees Celsius, along the streetway, exposed to the dust on the road, and a few meters from whatever comes out from exhaust pipe of cars and motorcycles? You are so preoccupied by this discomfort that you start to forget that you are still waiting for the bus, and you don't actually know when it's gonna come. And of course, there's no such information on the bus station. It is the daily life of thousands of public transport commuters in Vientiane capital. Yet, Vientiane City Bus has nothing to envy to other buses from other cities or other countries.
There are 42 air-conditioned and comfortable buses working on 10 bus lines, serving more than 62 bus stations and cover over 100 kilometers of road. Public transport deserves all important places: the Wat Tai Airport, Sethathirath Road, Morning Market, Lansang Avenue, National University of Laos, North and South Bus Terminal. So why public transport represents only 1% of the trip in Vientiane capital? For sure, there must be a lot of reasons, such as punctuality of the bus, just a few bus lines that don't deserve all areas, slow speed of bus because of congestion.
We believe that one of the problems involves the current bus stations, which do not fulfill all its roles, which are to deliver public transport service information and a comfortable shelter while waiting for the bus. Bus stations don't give us any information about the bus destination, the bus itinerary, fare price, and the timetable. Also, waiting at the bus station is tough. It doesn't provide enough shade, neither protection from wind nor from rain. All these problems combined can repel people to take public transport while buses are affordable, comfortable, and air-conditioned. Based on these observations, we propose to enhance Vientiane capital public transport information and service to increase number of users through an innovative, pleasant, and connected bus station. We think that our ideas are simple, cost-effective, and realistic because they are based on existing infrastructure, existing service, and existing technology. However, for Vientiane City, this may be considered as a breakthrough compared to the current situation. We decompose our proposal on three principal ideas that get along together: provide information service, enhance bus station appeal, give power to commuters.
Current new buses have GPS system on board that give live information on the bus company website. We propose to feature two new traditional information at bus station: map, itinerary, timetable, fare price, etc. A live information sign that provide live waiting time based on the same existing technology used between control station and buses. Basically, when a bus starts its shift, the information arrives to all stations and indicate on live in or between which station the bus is and when it's going to arrive in our station. All information will be provided in local language and in English to encourage more local population to take bus public transport, and also foreigners.
Enhanced bus station appeal. Sometimes users have to wait under hot temperature, exposed to traffic pollution, dust, wind, rain, and sunlight. While adding a glazing with a heat protection film will protect user and decrease the sunlight exposure. The planted wall with flower will decrease pollution through photosynthesis process. These propositions are aimed to enhance the comfort while waiting for the bus. To combine comfort and sustainability, we propose to put photovoltaic solar panel on the roof to supply LED lamps and a fan equipped with mist system. Use of photovoltaic solar panel will ensure the bus stations operate in an autonomous way most of the time. The experience of waiting for a bus should be more pleasant. So saving some space of the advertising area for cultural information will add more value to the waiting time. Because users are the aspect of public transport, they will be involved in such a space by sharing experiences, story of their journey and adventure. A dedicated social media page will show user stories and the best one will be displayed on the bus station.
Satisfactory user is fundamental. A dedicated device will collect information on commuter satisfaction to improve the service. This device will preserve the anonymity while promoting people involvement in public service development.
We hope that our big idea answering the question, what should bus station in Vientiane city be like, can be an argument to convince people to let their car or motorcycle at home and take public transport. Indeed, this is a way to reduce pollution and build a more sustainable and integrated city and communities. While public transportation represents only 1% of trip share in Vientiane capital, it aims to represent 40% by 2025. So, starting to give all commuters an informative, comfortable and pleasant shelter while they are waiting for their bus will be a great step.